G'day everyone, welcome back, Aussie Dad Life. Bit of a another quick video tonight. My new handles turned up for the Echo. So obviously in the last video you would have seen that I broke it, pulling on it a little bit too hard. So I rang up the local mower shop, spoke to them. Said I'm not fussed either a plastic or a metal handle because the next model up, which is the 600 plus, they all come with metal handles. So picked that up today. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick one on pulling everything apart and putting on the new handle. So pretty straightforward, just a couple of screws on each end on the side, and should be just straight fit and go. So it'll be interesting to see, but I think it just straight fits up. Should be no modifications, no adjustments or anything. Hope everyone's good. We've got the good news. Dan Andrews let us back out. Still locked down to 25 Ks, but overall we're allowed out. We can go and get a beer. Haven't actually done that yet, although I am fanging for a cold pint, but I'm on a keto diet. I'm trying to be good, so just drinking Jim Beam and scotch. I don't know how good that is going for my diet, but what can you do? So all coming along pretty easily so far. This weekend, the long weekend, we've got the Cup, Melbourne Cup coming up. So I think I'll have a little punt, always drop a few dollars, see what comes out of it. Never normally win much or if anything, but I suppose it's once a year. I don't normally have a bet the odd time throughout the year just for something to do. I think especially with this lockdown, why not, spend a couple of dollars, see how we go. If I win, take the family out for dinner. If not, well, baked beans on toast for everyone, I suppose. Alright, so that is all of the bolts. There is a grand total of five screws that you need to remove. That's it. Pretty straightforward. And that's it. So you can see here, this is the bit that broke. Obviously because I was just pulling on a little bit too hard. Now, aluminium. It's got a little rubber foam over the top handle. And it also comes with, which is pretty cool, anti-crush brackets. So I'm just waiting for the other one to come. Apparently there was only one of them turned up. So, but I'm interested to just fit it up and see how it goes, make sure there's no issues. So this is a little anti-crush thing that actually goes up in the inside. Oh, there you go. So it goes up in the inside, so when you fit it and then you screw it down, it won't actually deform the metal, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's fit this bad boy up. So that looks like it just goes in there like so. Job done. Right, there we go. Now I'm in the middle of a couple of other projects. Got another video coming pretty soon. I'm in the middle of doing up my grandfather's vice. It's going to be a sort of a big video. Basically no talking, just me going through. I've completely stripped it down, and pulled the paint off it, repainted it, and I'm going to do the blackening of the handle and stuff because it was all a bit old, there's a bit of rust going on about it and everything else. So I thought, give me something to do, and it's my grandfather's, so it's something pretty special to me. I've had it, he's no longer with us. So it really, really means a lot to me, and I thought, why not? So as you can see there, it looks like it bolts up perfectly fine. Interestingly, there are goes all in there. It looks all right. It's looking really good. Yep. Okay. Let's see what I've done wrong there. I've put the wrong bolt in there. It's actually a bigger one. I didn't realise that when I pulled that off. Although looking at the holes in here, you can easily see that's the case. Silly rookie mistake. Alright, and then the last one, into the anti-vibe. Put that straight in, just like I bought one. Done. Alright. Just put that over, make sure that's all tight. Yep. These ones are all plastic. I don't want to over tighten them. You can just feel them taking up. Yep. I'll just keep an eye on them. And that's done. So, oh, that feels nice. Alright, well, quick video. Thanks for watching. What was I going to say? Yeah, so next video coming up is on my Viceroy build. So, hope you all take a look at that one. Leave a comment, subscribe please, really help the channel out, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching.